Hello there, this is Anthony Johnson, and this is episode 5 of SQL Interview Prep. What is commit, what is rollback, and what is save point? These three questions, and or it can be a combined question, is a question that the interviewer may ask you to gauge your knowledge of it. So with a commit, it is essentially when you put a commit inside your transaction, you are writing all unsaved SQL statements to your database tables. When you are using a rollback within your transaction, you are essentially undoing everything that was done all the way up until the begin transaction keywords. Save point is essentially a placeholder. It's something that you use to only partially roll back your transaction. But the premise today here is to actually just show you how it actually operates as far as commit and rollback. So if you see here on the screen, we have a temp table called employees, and we have some values to insert into. So let's actually execute the table. Alrighty. So now we're going to start with commit first. So begin tran, and then we will commit underneath. Let's highlight and execute. 4 records were affected. So now let's do select all from employees. And as you can see, our 4 records are present. This is commit. So essentially, these were unsaved statements. I used a combination of select and union all to insert records into the employees temp table. And I executed it with commit at the end, and they are now present inside of the table or inside of our temp table. So what about rollback? Okay. Glad you asked. We're gonna do begin tran. We're gonna do update, set from where, set up our syntax. We're gonna take our temp table here, E. And so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna set the salary of the help desk to 60,000. Get a $5,000 salary increase per year, annual salary increase. So now we're gonna target the department that equals help desk. Okay. And then we're going to roll back. We're actually going to copy and paste this underneath. And now let's see what we have here. As you can see, nothing was done because our rollback was there. These are our original values. As you can see, help desk is still getting paid $55,000 per year. So now let's put a commit here. Now let's execute it. Oh, gotta make sure we encapsulate the begin tran. Now let's look at our 4 records. As you can see, the help desk has been upgraded to 60 grand opposed to 55 grand. So for a quick recap, commit, it materializes those unsaved SQL statements to your tables and or your temp tables. Rollback, it's like an undo. It's essentially like a control Z within your transaction. Or in this case, when we used it with update, it just essentially negated our update because we actually placed rollback there. And then a save point is a temporary placeholder. It's typically used to do partial rollbacks. So you won't undo everything that was done in there. You just want to undo to a specific point. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and bye-bye.